When you're sleeping, they'll come creeping, they'll crawl and clamber on your bed. Find the tooth beneath your pillow, leave a present there instead.
It was a cold day in the kingdom of the tooth mice.
Gerald begs to be excused, Your Majesty. He's got rheumatism.
Has he now? My knee is killing me. I'm sure it's going to rain. Now, this girl.
She's very clumsy, Your Majesty. Last night she was brushing her hair and she broke her comb.
Give me a push, will you? Oh! Oh! Clumsy oaf.
What about the present, Your Majesty?
Give her this. And don't forget the milk tooth.
You see, Minnie, when Mr. Sun comes out, it means it's going to be sunny. But when Mrs. Rain sticks her nose out, it's going to rain.
Giselle and Martin set out for Audrey's house. It was their turn to work the night shift.
Phew, it's hot.
And I thought it was going to rain.
There was Audrey. But where was our milk tooth?
It's not here.
The weather was very changeable.
You're sure she lost a tooth?
Of course. She must have. Look!
Come on!
Oh, no! Martin, what are we going to do?
I know. Now, you hold on to the comb. I can see it. It's right at the bottom. I'll get it.
Oh, Martin, are you all right?
Yes, I've got the tooth.
The last thing a tooth mouse wants to see is a cat. Thank goodness I arrived in the nick of time.
Oh, Arthur.
I thought you were on holiday.
I was, but the weather turned nasty.
Let's give her the present.
Come on, let's go.
In this weather?
Oh, I think it's going to turn out fine. Come rain or shine, the tooth mice know they can depend on Owl Arthur.